Hey everyone, the latest Xiaomi Mi home air conditioner super energy saving 1.5 horsepower arrives as a significant upgrade to the company's earlier wall-mounted units, combining stronger cooling and heating performance with smarter controls and far better energy efficiency. Designed for the Chinese market, this new model fits neatly into Xiaomi's growing ecosystem of intelligent home appliances, offering tighter integration, improved airflow technology, and robust performance across extreme temperatures. At the core of the new unit is a more powerful cooling and heating system. With 5,300 watt of cooling capacity and 6,820 watt of heating capacity, the air conditioner handles temperature adjustments more quickly and more steadily than Xiaomi's earlier models. Homes in climates with hot summers or cold winters benefit particularly from this boost, as the unit is designed to maintain comfort even when outdoor conditions push beyond normal operational ranges. One of the standout improvements is airflow. The internal module uses 118mm cross-flow fan blades that guide air in multiple directions, including vertical and horizontal oscillation patterns. This allows the airflow to circulate more evenly throughout a room, preventing pockets of cold or warm air and improving overall comfort. Energy efficiency is where this model shows its most noticeable advancement. Xiaomi's custom energy-saving algorithm helps reduce consumption by as much as 30% compared to certain earlier models, selecting operating modes intelligently based on real-time room conditions. With an APF of 5.45, the Mi home air conditioner super energy-saving 1.5 horsepower earns China's Level 1 energy efficiency certification, the highest category, indicating that it delivers strong performance without unnecessary power draw. This makes it appealing not only for environmentally conscious buyers, but also for those looking to cut down on monthly electricity costs. Maintenance convenience is also built directly into the design. Both the indoor and outdoor units include a self-cleaning mode, which helps remove dust and moisture buildup that can affect performance and lead to unpleasant odors. This feature extends the unit's lifespan and reduces the need for frequent manual cleaning, contributing to long-term reliability. Like many of Xiaomi's modern home appliances, the new air conditioner benefits from smart home integration. Through the Xiaomi Home app, users can control temperature, mode selection, fan speed, and scheduling from anywhere. Remote access makes it easy to pre-cool or preheat a room before arriving home. HyperConnect allows seamless interaction with other Xiaomi smart devices, creating scenarios such as automatically adjusting the temperature when a smart door sensor detects someone entering. Visually, the unit maintains Xiaomi's familiar minimalist aesthetic with a clean white exterior. Measuring 855 by 328 by 219 millimeters, it blends into most living spaces without drawing attention and is compact enough for bedrooms, living rooms, or small offices. In China, the Mi Home air conditioner super energy-saving 1.5 horsepower is priced at $450, with pre-order discounts available through Xiaomi Youpin. Overall, the new Xiaomi Mi Home air conditioner super energy-saving 1.5 horsepower delivers a meaningful step forward in performance, airflow control, energy savings, and smart home convenience. It blends power and efficiency in a way that suits modern connected households, especially those already invested in Xiaomi's expanding ecosystem. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, I will be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.